Miss Dot here. Today we're going to make a puppet theater. We've all been getting a lot of packages, so it's the perfect time. I'm going to show you on this little box how we're going to do this. The first thing we're going to do is cut where you see this black. You want to cut that out. This is obviously for adults using a utility knife. Now we'll turn the box the other direction, and this time we are going to cut the whole back side out, including the top flap. So now with this back, which would be, we'll take that flap off, so we're going to use this piece, and we are going to make a cut like so. So this is what we're going to get. Now we're going to take tissue paper, okay, and we are going to fold this around and Scotch tape it. Also, parchment paper works great if you have parchment paper. So on the big one, you can see that I cut this out. I left a little bit more at the bottom so that when you are doing puppets, you don't see your hands. So you can have the kids decorate this, and that'll take a long time. So if you do have puppets at home, this is perfect for that. Now, here's the dual purpose of this. We're going to take this part that you have covered with either parchment or tissue paper, and we are going to put it inside. And now we're going to have shadow puppets. Shadow puppets are great because you can make them out of a scrap of paper, poster board. Here's my prince. He's pretty yucky looking at this point, but you can see you can go like this. We have a frog. Here's our frog. We have a princess. So you can make any characters that you want. Of course, I did the frog prince. On the back, I attached, if you still have straws around, the bendy straws, and I put a skewer, a wooden skewer in it, and then you simply tape it on the back of your puppet. If you don't have straws around anymore, you can just use a piece of cardboard and also just tape it. So this is the cool part. You need backlighting. If you don't have one of these little clippy lights, or you could even use a flashlight, and you just need it lit from the back. So there we go. But let's look. Let's look at our princess. There she is. Can you see her? We can have our frog. I guess the hard part of this is just figuring out how your hands won't show. And that just takes a little while to do that. But it's all fun. Here's our frog. Make him jump. Ribbit, ribbit. So anyway, this is just hours of fun. After grown-ups do the initial cutting, Kids can make the puppets, they can write the plays, they can give the performances. So it's a great way to spend a few hours in the afternoon. So I hope you enjoyed this. See you again soon.